Hi, welcome back to 5 a Day. Now, the next question that we are going to go through is from the 2020 prelim paper from Nanyang Primary, paper 2, question 8. Let us take the next minute to go through the question and highlight the important information. Maggie baked some pies and muffins. The number of pies was 7/11 of the number of muffins. Maggie gave away 6 pies and 14 muffins. In the end, the number of pies left was equal to the number of muffins left. So how many pies and muffins did Maggie bake altogether? Okay. Now, we have some information there. So let us try to put the information down so that we can see what is happening. Let us just use P to represent pies and M to represent muffins. Alright, so at the very beginning, she has baked 7 units of pie and 11 units of muffins from the information given in the question. 7 out of 11 of the number of muffins were pies. So 7 out of 11 of the muffins were, meaning that there were 7 pies and 11 muffins. Okay, and Maggie gave away 6 pies and 14 muffins. So here, we just write this, gave away. So, and that will make out to be 6, these are actual numbers, 6 pies and 14 muffins. Okay, and at the end of it, there were equal number of muffins and pies left. So at the end, finally, or you can just put at the end, finally, okay, there are equal number of pies and muffin left. So the ratio would have become 1:1. So for the number of pies, if I were to use it and take away the muffins and the pies that were given away, finally I should be able to get a number which is work out to give you a ratio which is finally 1:1. So let us try to do this. Try to simplify the gave away, the pies and the muffins that were given away, simplifying this ratio. So if I were to divide by 2 for each of them. Okay, remembering what you do to the pies, you must do it to the muffins. So I divide by 2 for the pies, and that will give me 3. 6 divided by 2, it will be 3. And 14 divided by 2, it will be 7. Okay, finally, if I were to take the pies and a minus away, if these numbers are correct, it should give me minus away those that were given away. I should be able to get a ratio of 1:1. So now let us take a look. All right, let me just, okay, let me just write it here. Finally, all right, now if I were to look at the numbers that were highlighted in yellow, at the beginning I have 7 units of pie. If I were to give away 3 units, so I take 7 minus 3. At the end of it, 7 minus 3, the yellow, those numbers highlighted in yellow, I will be left with 4 pies. Similarly, if I were to take 11 minus 7, that will give me 4. So right now, at the end, I will have 4:4. If I were to simplify this ratio, it will work out to be 1:1. So in this case, from here, I will know that. Okay, so if you were to look at this, from 7, in order to become 4, you have to take away 3 units. All right, so if I were to take 7u minus 4u, the difference will work out to be 3u. And we know that this 3 units over here will be actually the 6 pies that were given away. So 3u is actually equals to 6, the 6 pies which were given away. So that will give us 1u to be 6 divided by 3. 1u is actually 2. Okay, but the question asks us to calculate how many pies and muffins did Maggie bake altogether. So we need to calculate the total. So if we were to go back to the top, the total number of pies and muffins will be 7 plus 11 units. So in this case, it will be 7u plus 11u, which is the total of pies and muffins added together. So that will work out to be 18 units. So how many is exactly 18 units? Okay, so let's calculate 18u, and each u is actually equals to 2. So 18u will be 18 times 2. So the answer will be 36. So in total, Maggie baked 36 pies and muffins altogether. All right, so this is a pretty simple question here. So if you think you've understood and like what I've presented, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more problem solving questions. Thank you for watching. Till the next video, bye bye.